Welcome to this short video that's going to present you how to formulate keywords and search these terms on MeSH. From question to keywords. To do this, the first thing is to have a really clear question. This is drawn from your clinical inquiry, so what do you want to know? Who does it concern? What are the outcomes at stake? Do you have any idea about the study design? And try and formulate your question in a way that it's simple, precise, and complete. Once you've done that, you can go to the second step, and that is to identify key concepts and terms within that question. Look up at your questions and try and see what are the underlying concepts and break it down to try and find terms and synonyms that correspond to these terms. And that leads to the third step. Try and minimize the number of words and find the ones that are the most precise to what you're looking for. Let's see an example. A patient under cancer treatment reports to you that she's feeling more and more anxious. You're wondering whether or not mindfulness could help her. This situation can be broken down into different keywords. Let's think of, how about mindfulness-based interventions, anxiety, cancer patients, and psychological well-being. Searching for MeSH terms. To increase the chance of finding the research we're looking for, it's important to use similar typology than what other people are using. The National Institution of Health has created a dataset called the MeSH. Here is the link to the MeSH search engine. So once you're on the web page, you'll see that you'll have the MeSH logo here, and then you can start entering your key terms. So then we'll put mindfulness-based intervention, and we can search, and that will show up all the terms that are linked. It says no item found, so this search term is too broad, so maybe we'll have to break it down into two. So let's first put down mindfulness, and we can search. Oh great, here it is, exactly what we're looking for. We've got a small definition underneath, and we'll want now to sort of add this to the PubMed search builder. So we'll go add to search builder, up, and it's in there. And then we have to add what we had before. So we had intervention. Let's see what this leads to. So here we've got a whole set of terms. We'll have to find the one that's the most adapted, or maybe this one. So let's take psychological intervention, and I'll add this one as well. Add to search builder, and I want both of them. So it's with and. So click and. And now let's go for the next terms. So our next term was anxiety. So let's go for anxiety. So we have the word over here. I can write add to search builder. I can have a look at more details if I want to really know what it's linked to. So here we can see that all these terms are combined in the MeSH one. So there's angst, social anxiety, and so on, nervousness. And that makes it, when you use a MeSH term, it's broader than just using a term alone, and it really couples it to the theme. So add to search builder. There we go. Next one, cancer. So here we've got different terms, cancer survivors, cancer pain, and so on. So given we're having the whole group and we want the term, we'll go under neoplasm and see what terms are set underneath. So here we've got tumor, but there is the word cancer, but we've got all these different words that can be used in different publications. This really is a broader way of finding what we're looking for. So again, add to search builder, and now we've got our last term, and it's psychological well-being. Psychological well-being. Not sure it'll be able to find it, but we'll have a look. No items found. So we'll go under psychological. So what's the most closest that we're doing? Handling, adaptation. There is psychological well-being, it's just that I didn't write it properly. So I click on it and add to search builder. And there we go, we've got all the terms and they're all additive, so we put and now I can even click on search PubMed, and when I do this, straight away, 0 results. Oh well, probably a bit too too harsh on what we're writing and with all of them, so probably we'll take away this term. So this is refining. So now we're trying to bring down the terms to something that's more reasonable. So search. And there we go. We found one effective mindfulness-based stress reduction program in stress depression and psychosocial well-being in patients with cancer, a single-blinded randomized clinical trial. So here I have the elements. I've got the PMID number, which is the unique identifying number on PubMed. I also have the DUI, which is the unique number for the electronic version of the article. And if I want to access the article, unfortunately it's not free, but I can click on the full text here and it will go straight to the article. There we go. And now we know how to search for keywords.